Uno.
My name is Sanjay Mahajani. I come from India and I work on jaggery, which is the Indian name for panela. And we are doing investigations to make jaggery or panela on a large scale. At present in India, sugarcane is produced on a large scale and jaggery, panela, is made from it in small or cottage industry. Uh, we came to know about the developments that have happened in Colombia on internet, and that's why we are here to attend a workshop organized by Mr. Williams, who has given us a brief overview on what is happening in Colombia in order to convert this process into continuous process so that we can make jaggery or panela on large scale. So we went and had a look at different processing units which use the latest technology and produce panela on large scale. And yesterday we had a look at a plant which makes jaggery or panela at a scale of 600 kilograms per hour, which is a huge plant. We don't have such a plant in India, so it was quite informative and insightful to have a look at that particular plant. Today we are here to have a look at different techniques to use jaggery in different form of products. And I was very happy to know that this particular organization has worked a lot on developing new products from panela so that panela gets good publicity among consumers, and it's a very highly nutritious food and which can be sold at a price which is quite competitive, and the farmers will get benefit out of it. The plant that we saw today is a continuous process unit in which jaggery is made in the form of powder, and which has a big market back in India as well. And we make jaggery in powder form, but again at a small scale. So whatever learnings we have here would be quite useful when we go back and try and translate the learnings to actually build new plants in India. Thank you very much.
Corte.